So today I am going to be chopping off all of my nails because this one broke really low right there. I don't know if you can see it good. It broke down there and I repaired it with polygel. So now I'm going to be chopping off all of my nails except for this one because I'm going to be doing them all with polygel instead. Guys, so I am back and I chopped all my nails off, took all the builder gel off. This was the nail that I had broke a couple days ago. It broke really low down there, so I couldn't soak this one off. I refused to. I was gonna pass out. So I took all the builder gel off for the first time since February, and now I'm gonna be doing polygel. So I got this off of Amazon and I really loved how this color light apricot looked. Let's see, focus. I really loved how this color looked. So I think I'm gonna be trying that one. This came with top coat, base coat, a clear light apricot, some solution for your brush. It came with this brush for the polygel, and it came with some forms. I already took out the forms that fits my nail. When you're sizing for forms, you have to make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall, or else you're gonna be left with like a gap or something on the side. So let's get right into it. Okay, so basically, to get started, I already roughed up my real nails a little bit. I think I'm gonna be putting some dehydrator, some pH prep on my nails. I just have this one by Sparkle & Co, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Now when that's dry, you're gonna wanna go in with your base coat. Okay, so now I cured that base coat on my nails. I'm going to take some of this slip solution, and this is how it looks. I'm just gonna put this in a jar so that I can easily get to it because I don't have a dish to put it in. So I'm just gonna get, you can't see that much. I thought it was gonna smell like alcohol because I heard that if you don't have slip solution, you can just use alcohol, but it doesn't really smell like alcohol. So the color, of course, the color I'm gonna be using is the light apricot one. So this is how it fits on my nail, and I'm trying to decide how long I want it. I probably want it here or here. I don't know, I might go longer so that I can cut it down to what I think I might like. So let's get my brush ready. This is how it looks, and it's nice and firm so you can be able to pack down the polygel good. So I am switching to voiceover, and I'm just going to be putting this color right onto the dual form like this, and I just love this color so much. I think I wore this color for a couple days before I actually did dip over it. But anyways, I'm going to use base coat as a slip solution. I saw this on a YouTube video, on someone's YouTube video. I think it was Long Hair Pretty Nails. She used base coat as a slip solution, and it worked pretty well for her. So I want to try it out. I'm going to try out the base coat and the regular slip solution and see how I like it. but I guess I did both, huh? What I did here is just pat down. I'm sorry, it is out of focus, of course, but I just keep patting and smoothing and wiping my brush, just trying to get it perfect. And yeah. So here I'm about to put the dual form on my nail, and you want to press it down at the cuticle and then work your way up so that it won't create any air bubbles, and then smooth out the part under your nail because you don't want the polygel to get all smushed up against your finger and it will bug you. So just keep it pressed down and get your brush with some slip solution or alcohol or anything and just wipe around the edges so that you don't have anything around your cuticles or any polygel around your cuticles or side walls, making it harder to file. This way it's just easier and it'll be clean. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna hold the dual form on my nail while putting it in the lamp. I need to invest in some of those clamps that you put on your nail to hold the dual form in place, and then so you can put it in your lamp. So that is what I'm going to be getting next because I can't really figure out how to do it unless I press it on hard and then stick it in there. Here's my hair. So now that I moved my big hair out the way a little bit, I'm showing you that I'm holding it with my index finger and trying to put it in the lamp so it can flash cure a little bit, and then I'll be able to take my index finger off of it and let it cure the whole 60 seconds. You guys, look at this color though. Okay, so to take the dual form off, you just pinch it a little bit and wiggle it back and forth, and then ta-da! It came off. And look how smooth that looks, and look at the curve it got. I think that's a little bit too much curve because my real nails actually curved downward that much already. That is my little boy. But that is gorgeous. And that is my cat. So I'm just going to be showing you how I do this on the next couple of nails because it's pretty repetitive, but it's so satisfying to watch. I don't know, at least for me it is, because just seeing how it smooths down and everything, and I just love this color so much. I don't know, I keep saying that, but it is gorgeous. So I'm just going to speed it up, and I'll see you after all my nails are done. Y'all, do not forget to smooth the underside of your nails just so it won't be so bulky and all under your real nail and on your skin and touching and everything. Just smooth it out, girl, smooth it out. So now, after all your nails are done, you want to cure the underside of your nails so that the polygel underneath can cure as well. So now I'm back and I'm just going to start filing. I'm going to start filing the tip to get off some of the length and start making my shape. I like coffins, so I'm going to go for a coffin shape here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to break out my nail dust collector in a minute because it is getting really dusty up in this joint, and the nail dust collector I have is the Ricaaa nail dust collector. I think it was $99, but it works beautifully. I don't get to inhale all the dust inside of my lungs anymore. Hi you guys, so I am back and it got late because I got distracted, started doing other things, and I also did my other hand. So this is how they turned out. I can officially say that I'm obsessed with polygel. I messed up and made this hand really short because I got too happy with this. So I cut it too short, and all I did was put on a nail form, one of these, and extended it like that. So that was awesome. I didn't record that because of course it just slipped my mind, but this is how they look and I love them. So I'm gonna wipe them with some alcohol and show you how they look. I think this color is really pretty too. So when I do my dip or gel or whatever I'm gonna do and pop off and have this underneath and wear this for a couple days, oh yes, I really love this. So right now I'm gonna put some gel top coat on it so that, oh no, my gel top coat was open and spilling everywhere. That is my luck, right? How long was that even open? So I totally forgot that this one came with its own top coat. It's blurry and it won't focus. Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna use this top coat on this hand. So these are how my nails look, and I'm just going to wipe my nails with another alcohol wipe because I'm going to put some cuticle oil on these babies because they've been through a lot yesterday and today because soaking my nails in acetone to get the builder gel off and doing these. Using Candy Skincare and the scent Very Happy. It smells delicious. So this is how they look and I absolutely love them. They are so pretty and I love that they take your nails, like they're the exact shape of your nails. It looks like they can actually be your real nails. I don't know, is it just me? Am I tripping? But yeah, so this is the color I use. Modelones, sorry, I'm trying to read it off the camera, I don't know why. It's right in front of my face. Right here. It's Modelones Poly Nail Gel in Light Apricot. And it is gorgeous. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope I was able to help you a little bit. Okay, bye!